Hi students, my today's topic absolute value or modulus value of an integer. This topic is related to chapter first of 7th class. So student, look carefully. First we write down the definition modulus of an integer. It is always positive or a number on a number line. It is the distance between the numbers and zeros. Also write down here mod of a modulus values represented by these two lines. So modulus of a, this can be read modulus of a. Also write down a and these two lines. It means if it is positive when a taking greater than or equal to 0. If it is negative, if we taken a less than 0. So modulus of a also equal to a and modulus of minus a also equal to a. We are given some examples. We find out the modulus of 2, that is 2, and modulus of minus 2 also equal to 2. We are taking another example, modulus of 3, that is 3, and modulus of minus 3 also equal to 3. We are taking another example, modulus of 4, that is equal to 4, and modulus of minus 4 also equal to 4. So students, look here, we get a positive values here, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. If given in the modulus positive or negatives, but we get an answer positive values, that is 2. अंदर चाहे प्लस हो या माइनस हो, मोड वैल्यू के बाहर निकलने के बाद हमारा प्लस का साइन ही आंसर आता है और इसी को मोड वैल्यू कहते हैं. सो राइट डाउन हियर, इट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द इंटीजर्स. सो आफ्टर गिवन एन होमवर्क फॉर modulus value, find modulus of 10 equal to, find modulus of 5, find modulus of minus 5, find modulus of minus 10. So student, you get your answers. And also we taking properties of integers. Let us take properties. Today's item tells about the properties of integers. So property of integers. First, that is the closure property. Closure property. In this property, the difference of two integers, the difference of two integers, difference of two integers is also an integers. So we are taking two integers, that is 18 and 13. So difference between them 18 minus 13, and it so becomes, we get 5. So 5 is an integers. This belongs to an integers. Z represented the integers. We already tells about integers, that is all negative values, 0 and all positive values. So 5 belongs to here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. Also we write down the second property, commutative. Commutative property. The difference of two integers does not remain same when the order of integers is changed. So commutative, a minus b not equal to b minus a. We are given two numbers a and just like 2 and 3. So 2 minus 3, and so we write down minus 1, and 3 minus 2 also equal to plus 1. We look here, minus 1 not equal to plus 1. So commutative properties of this integers is not applicable. So students, I am telling about only two properties here and modulus. At last we learn the closure property and commutative property and taken homework with the modulus questions. That is my today's topics. Thanks a lot.